Guys, what's up? Today we're doing another Airsoft bazooka video. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the rig, and then the first thing that we're gonna be shooting is Sean. 2, 1. 1.
That was so cool.
I feel bad for Sean because he just got hit everywhere. I don't even know how, but he got hit in the back of the head too. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna be shooting is this homemade cardboard vest.
2, 1. I'm taking out a beer can with an airsoft gun.
All right, so up next is this beer can. There's nothing in it, but let's see.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Miss. 3, 2, 1.
We're gonna be shooting this egg nut. This egg nut. This egg nut. 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you miss? Shoot.